Hi, my name is David Lee, Director of Product Marketing for DEWALT Industrial Accessories. Today we're going to talk about a new product that's launching. It's called a Cleanable Nutsetter. And nutsetter, or nut drivers as they're often referred to, is one of the most common accessories used on an industrial job site. Used for installing hex head fasteners and doing metal-to-metal fastening. One of the challenges with working with metal is it creates a lot of metal shavings. And when you have a magnet inside of the nut driver, it collects these shavings and it makes it very tough to use the fastener. The magnet doesn't engage with the fastener and you don't have a flush surface. So what happens on the job site is guys will use screws and tape and other means to try to clean it out, but it's not effective and it takes a lot of time and hurts productivity. So what we've done at DEWALT have designed this cleanable nutsetter where you can actually expose the magnet and clean the magnet off. So it's very, very simple, but very effective. So after drilling 2 screws, you have simple metal shavings on the end. You're able to clean it off. In literally seconds. That would take quite a bit longer with a conventional nut driver. And then you're ready to go.